do you think you are going to? Huh?
Leave me now.
No, you won't go anywhere. I think you won't go anywhere.
Oh, why are you doing this to me?
I don't like what you're doing.
Why are you doing this?
You have to fix the TV now. Why are you doing this to me? Today you are not going until you fix it.
Just leave me. Let me explain.
No.
See, you are creating a scene now.
I don't care. I'm tired. Ade.
Rosie.
What?
You know you're my wife. I love you so much. I don't have money right now. If I have money, I would have done the TV.
You see, you are a man. I hate it when you tell me I don't have money. Hey! Can't you do what your mates are doing for money? I just said fix common TV, TV.
Yeah!
You're not going anywhere.
So right now, you are holding me like this. You are holding your husband like this. You are happy because of TV.
I'm not happy, but I need you to do what you have to do.
Not be juju be that. No. It's like because I'm treating you like a woman, you don't understand, right? You are holding me. Did you marry your marriage? If you raise your voice, you marry me. I paid your bride price.
You have to fix the TV.
I bought the TV in the room. It's what? It's my responsibility to do it. Now leave me alone. Leave me.
Do it. It's your responsibility. Do it.
Don't make me raise my hand on you right now. Just leave me. Leave.
You raise your hand on me.
You are lucky. That TV in the room, whenever I have money is when I will do it. And you can't force me. Do you understand?
Don't worry. You go wherever you are going. You come and meet me here. I'll show you.
I don't care.
You don't care.
I don't care.
No problem.
I'll
get you.
I don't care. Come on. What are these children? What? Dictator! So this is what you are doing here. You have a boyfriend. You have a boyfriend who has everything. Who can give you anything you want. And you are here with a cheap guy like this.
Not being juju be that.
Good for nothing human being. An uncompleted building. Dictator, why? Why? What is it?
It's true my boyfriend gives me everything I want, but then he's not good in bed.
Your boyfriend is not good in bed. Look at this one. You are giving me sign. You are good in bed. Look at your life. You are good in bed. See yourself.
Not being juju be that.
What is the problem with women? Look at me. No, just take a look at me. I am very, very active. Very good in bed.
Not being juju be that.
But because of television, my wife. Come to my house and see what my wife does to me. She doesn't respect me because I don't have television in the house. Your boyfriend is having everything. Everything, anything you ask, he can give to you. And it's not good in bed. And you are here cheating. You are here cheating. What is that? What do women really want from men? I don't get it. What do you guys want from men? You know what? Thank I am not in a very bad mood. Now get out. Get out. Leave out. What? I should tell your boyfriend. You want to lose your boyfriend because of this? Hey! You came with here. Listen, I can be very, very hard sometimes. Walk close to me. You are going this way. You are going this way. If you follow us, master, I'll go slap you. Tell me this. Better go this way. What is the meaning of all this?
Not be juju be that.
See you with another guy. I will tell your guy, how do you want to lose gold because you are picking stones? Go this way.
We go make a moro, eh?
You go make We'll make her next year. You let me see.
Super number one.
It's YTM.
Hardy Dynamo.
Hey! What is this? Why are you hugging my wife?
Oh, come on. Why do you have to go over this?
You don't tell me why do I have to go over this. You are hugging somebody's wife. Tell me why.
My dear, why are you shouting? You should even be grateful to this gentleman. I actually went to watch telly in his room.
Hey!
Not be juju be
You want
that.
clothes and good. You want to watch telly in a single man's room.
No, when you were leaving, what was I wearing?
How do
When you were leaving, what was I wearing? I went to enjoy some series. Anyways, you know what? They will begin the telenovela this evening.
Just your husband needs to applaud me for helping you to watch this series.
Yeah!
Not to come and quarrel here.
Abio, I told you
You should
so.
have gone out, it's not because of me.
You should have gone out to go and watch it if not because of you.
Exactly.
So I should applaud you.
Exactly.
I applaud the same.
That's why I love you. You know what?
You are putting your hand.
My dear,
Yeah!
this evening, the series will be continued. So I'll come and watch it. Part 2.
You're always
please
welcome.
don't go out. Oh.
Don't go
I'll
out.
come. Bye. Husband.
Yeah! Yeah!
See, if you come
Hey!
close to my wife,
What is happening here? Why are you holding the poor gentleman? Eh? Is he to be blamed for you not fixing the telly in the room? What is wrong with you? Eh? You want him to cease me from watching the telenovela? Don't they fire you? Waka, it won't work.
Not be juju
I
be
use my
that.
money to marry my wife, and you use your money to buy DSTV.
Yeah!
Go and hack DSTV. Hey, you.
You use money to buy me.
Not
Am I
be juju be
asking?
that.
I beg, fix your TV and stop doing unnecessary fights. What is that? Sweetie, sorry, yeah. It's fine. Please go inside.
Yeah! Not be juju be that.
She even called you sweetie. Hey.
He shot you.
You better leave him alone, oh. Leave the poor man alone. You are one.
You have to you explain to me what kind of TV you are watching in the room that